Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a haul. I haven't done a haul in a couple of months. I think it's almost been a year. I do have two big bags of stuff for you guys today, and it's crazy because the total cost of all the items were like $800 and I only spent like $68 for all of it. And if you hold on to the end of the video, I'll tell you guys how. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. I have so much stuff to show you guys, so let's just go ahead and get started. So the first thing that I got is this huge Benefit The Great Brownanza, but it's just like a huge kit of like a bunch of brow products from Benefit. So this is what it looks like. It has the spoolie and brush, which I really needed a new one, so that was perfect. There's a highbrow, the brow zing kit, the gimme brow, which I love. There's a brow mapping tool, which I probably won't use, but that's like the only thing I'm not going to use, so it's still a good deal. And then there's also the Goof Proof Brow Pencil I've been wanting to try, and the Ka-Brow, which is like my all-time fave for my brows right now. But yeah, this is just such a good deal because everything is full size, and it retails for $59, and it's a $151 value. So the second item that I see in my bag is this. I got the new Fabulous Pro Nano Titanium 1 1/4 plate straightener. And guys, when I say this is the best straightener on the market, it's amazing. If you have a chi, throw it away and get this, because to me personally, I think chis are overrated. I don't think they're as good as people want to say that they are. My friend actually has this and I used it, and like it glides through your hair so smoothly. It's gonna change your life. So if you are in need of a new straightener, definitely get this. And so as a free gift with a purchase of a $139 purchase from Babyliss, you get a free wine opener, and this is so nice. I think it retails for like $100 and something. The brand is Cuisine Art, I think that's how you pronounce it. I don't drink wine that much, but this is definitely gonna help, and like it's so pretty. It's gonna match my countertops perfectly, so I'm super excited about that. In my second bag, I have a bunch of stuff, so let's go right to it. The first thing I got were some Crest white strips. These are the $500 professional treatment one. I've used this before, and these work like so freaking good. My mom got these for me like 3 years ago, and I used like I think 5-6 strips maxed for like 2 weeks, and my teeth were so white afterwards. My teeth stayed white for a really long time. It's not until like now that my teeth are starting to get gross again. So the next thing that I got, I'm super excited for because Ulta just started carrying them. Ulta got like a couple of things in from Morphe. It's like an end cap of it. And the first thing from Morphe that I got is this Flawless Beauty Sponge. And they have this and another sponge. I got this one. I got this one because Jaclyn Hill swears by it. So I'm excited to try it and see how it works. I really want to touch it. It's not that bouncy. It's like kind of hard, but we'll see. I'm excited to use this. What Ulta has is like a couple of brushes, a couple of palettes. They have the Jaclyn Hill palette, they have sponges, and I think that's about it for right now. But hopefully, crossing my fingers that in the future they get more stuff, because I really want to try the finishing spray, but I don't want to pay like $8 shipping. I got two brushes. I got the fan brush that looks like this, and then I got this brush. It's a bronzer brush. It kind of looks like the MAC brush, but it's like a third of the price, honestly. So I'm excited for these. So the next thing that I see is this Saint Tropez Everyday Body Lotion, and it's in medium dark. I use the Jergens Gradually Tan Lotion, and when I'm feeling really, really pale, especially in the wintertime, and I'm wearing something that shows my legs, I like to put it on, and it gives me like a really, really good tan. It's like not patchy or anything like that, but my friend, she actually uses this one, and it looks really good on her, so I decided to try it out as well. From Estee Lauder, I got this revitalizing kit. On this side it says firm plus smooth plus glow, which I'm here for. This is $35, but it's a $72 value. Right now, this is my favorite moisturizer. It's part of my skincare routine. It's the Revitalizing Supreme Plus. I love it. My skincare routine is coming. A lot of people have been asking for one. I've just been trying so much product that I need to make sure that I stick with one and that I love everything and that it works for me before I show you guys something that I've only used for a week and might like. So that's why it's taking a little bit longer. It also comes with the Revitalizing Supreme Plus exfoliant and then the eye balm as well, which I'm really excited to try. I actually don't use an under eye cream right now, just because I don't really have problems in that area, but I'm gonna try that. And then also the Advanced Night Repair. Okay, so Ulta's really been stepping up their game because they also have MAC in their stores now, which is amazing. I actually picked up a couple of stuff from them. I got a Studio Fix Perfecting Stick. This is a concealer stick in the color NC30. I read online that it's the most blendable stick concealer ever, and I've been on a real concealer kick, so I thought I'd try this out. And then I also got two lip liners in the color Boldly Bare and Brick. One is a deep red and the other one is just a peachy nude. I also got one of their Retro Matte Liquid lip colors in the color Lady Be Good, and I'm sure you guys know who Tammy Hembrow is. She has a sister named Emily, and she was wearing this in one of her YouTube videos. It's Honey Love matte lipstick from MAC in a liquid formula. This is actually Honey Love right here that I'm wearing, and this is Lady Be Good, and this is a liquid lipstick. God, as soon as I saw Emily wear it on her YouTube video, I went through her entire Instagram trying to find a picture of her in the outfit she was wearing in her video, and I finally found it and got the lip color, so blessed. The last thing that I got from MAC is the Lip Tensity lipstick in Toast and Butter. The packaging is really cute. It looks like this. One of the girls from the counter actually showed this and recommended it to me. It was on her lips and it looked so good. Oh my gosh. And it's so creamy. And that's the color right here. It's more of a deep brown nude. I picked up a couple of things from NARS because Ulta officially also carries the entire NARS line now. It's so amazing because my all-time favorite concealer, which is the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer. If you guys watch my video, you guys know that. This is my all-time favorite and we carry it now in stores. And then I also wanted to try their new, not new, but their Power Matte Lip Pigments. I got the color Slow Ride and Get It On. I'll do Get It On first. They're super liquidy. I made the mistake of holding it upside down and it spilled out when I was at Sephora. Whoops. But you guys are gonna be oh my god, it's the same color as the MAC one, but whatever. I like it, so who cares? So that one's right there is Get It On. This next one is Slow Ride, and that's that one right there. Every time I save my points, I like to buy a fragrance just because perfume is so freaking expensive that I never want to go buy my own and spend a bunch of money on. This one was only $62, but it's the limited edition Marc Jacobs Rain. It comes in 3 other scents. It just has a really fresh scent, rain, super nature and fresh. I got a couple of masks. I got 2 of the Pearl Skin Food Marine Food Gel Masks, and then I also got 2 of the Tony Moly Master Lab Vitamin C masks. So this is really good for brightening. I got some tea tree oil soft heel gel patches for my feet because y'all, TMI, but my toes, the bottom of my foot is so gross because my feet get so dry in the wintertime. And this is from the brand Earth Therapeutics. So from Lancome, I got a cleanser. I got their Meal and Mousse It's a foaming cleansing makeup remover, and it's like really thick in texture. My friend uses this and she swears by it, so I decided to get one too. From Becca, I got 2 of their Aqualuminous Perfecting Concealers. I got it in medium, and then also I got fair. I got fair to highlight underneath my eyes, and then I got medium to spot conceal. I've already used the fair one. It's not a lot of coverage, but it's very natural. It's really light on the eyes, and it's super moisturizing. So from Bliss, I got their Triple Oxygen Instant Energizing Foaming Mask. I watched I Love Sada E use this, and she loves it, but I didn't want to spend $54, so when it was 50% off, I was like, I think in my last haul, I had like a bunch of chapsticks, and here I am again with more chapstick. What is wrong with me? Oh my gosh. Okay, so I got another Burt's Bee lip balm. These are my favorite. They're like $3. This one and the medicated one, oh my god, they're so good. My lips are so much better now. And then I got the lip duo from Jack Black. This is the mint flavor. And then I got a water blending lip oil from Noonie. I've never even heard of this brand, but I was walking around and I saw it, and like their packaging is so freaking cute. It literally smells like toothpaste. I like it though because it's like super pepperminty, but it's like super liquidy. It looks like straight oil in the thing, so I'll let you guys know how that goes. I'm hoping it really, really repairs my lip. I also got the Clarins Instant Light Natural Lip Perfector. It's like a chapstick, but it's more like of a tinted chapstick. And it's pretty glossy, but it's like a nice nude color. Okay, I have 2 more lip products. I finally got London from NYX. I love their soft matte lip cream formula. And then I also got the Tarte lip paint in Front Row. I think this is the only lipstick that I got that isn't a nude. It's like a really pretty pinky red rose color. So it looks like that right there. Super pretty. From Anastasia, I got the Prism palette. It's so pretty. Those are the colors in the back right there. It's a very different palette. I don't see any palette out there right now that looks like this. And then I also got these tweezers from Anastasia because I heard from Amrezy that they're the best tweezers. So last but not least, I got some bobby pins. These are actually like the curved bobby pins. I like it because normally when I use bobby pins, it's when I have like my hair up and then I have like my flyaways up here. That's normally when I need the bobby pins, and because they're curved, it like sets on my head really nicely and it doesn't like poke out like normal bobby pins would. So that's why I got these. So I know a bunch of you guys are thinking like, how did I get $800 worth of product for only $60? And the secret is save your points. Just save your points. That is the big thing. I had $450 off in points, and that took a huge chunk off of it. I also work at Ulta, so I have an employee discount that goes in it. That's how I buy so much stuff and not spend a lot of money. Away from my employee discount, the points are amazing. I know Sephora, once you get your points, you get like little free gifts, but no, at Ulta, you get money off. I see a lot of people come in and they'll have 100 points and they'll use it right away. So every time they have 100 points, use. That's only $3 off. So if you have 100 points 10 times, which would be 1,000 points, and you use it individually every single time, 100 points, 100 points, 100 points, 100 points, that's only an added total of $30 off. If you would have saved the 1,000 points and used it all together, it would have been $50 off. So instead of 30, you're getting 50 for saving it. You get more for saving. I like to save at least to 1,000 or 2,000. When you're at 2,000 points, it's $125 off. So normally if you use 100 points 20 times to get 2,000, for $3 off each time, that's only $60 off. But instead of $60 off, you're getting $125 off. Like, that's more than double. All you have to do is save. I used to be this way when I saw like, oh my god, $3 off, I want to use it now. But when you save it and you build and you build and you build, that's when you get so much money off. I had, I think, over 7,000 points, and it's amazing how much it took off my total. Also, I don't spend $7,000 to get 7,000 points. This is where you have to be smart. I have the Ulta app on my phone. Okay, so I have the app right here. I'm going to press on it and it brings me to the full page. Up here it says, "Hi Julie, you have 7 offers." That's where all your activation codes are. So Ulta does this thing where for certain brands or certain products, like type of products, they'll send you emails where you can activate 5, 3, or 2 times the points on certain items. I use the app because I'm very lazy with my email and I don't check it all the time. If you're like me, you're on the go, you don't check your email all the time. But this is where all the bonus offers are. It gives me a list of everything that I can do right now, everything that's extra points. And I've activated all of them. Right now I have 7. So I have 5 times the points on fragrance, Soap and Glory, ABH, Urban Decay, OPI, NYX, and then other ones as well. I love the app because it pulls it right up for me, and so all I have to do is activate all of them. That is how I get my points. When it says that there are 3 times the points for platinum members, which I'm a platinum member, and then there's 5 times the points on Anastasia, you get 8 times the points. 3 times the points for a platinum member, and then 5 more for it being Anastasia products. So if you buy a $40 palette and you're getting 8 times the points, that's 320 points right there. And you're only spending $40 instead of spending $320. That, my friends, is how I get all the points so quickly. I wait until I see that it's 3 times the points, 2 times the points, or 5 times the points, and then that's when I go and buy a bunch of stuff. So that is the secret to how you get so many points and getting so much money off your purchases. I hope that was informative and that you guys got some information. That's how I get all my money off. Me and my friends save our points and then we use them all at once. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you aren't subscribed to me already, please subscribe down below. I would appreciate it so much. Follow me on Instagram as well. It's down below along with my Twitter and Snapchat usernames so you guys can follow me. If you guys like this, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!